Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Code and Chunks. So today we will continue the generator topic. So this is a part 2 of generator. Before that we discussed about the iterator, so how you can achieve a iterator. So we use iter keyword to achieve the iterator. Now if we will discuss about the generator. So yesterday we discussed about the yield keyword. So we can achieve the generator or we can apply generator by using the yield keyword. So what is the main use? So I will give you a basic example in which like you will understand what is the use of generator. So if I want to read a large file, a large text file, okay, so I can use that with the generator. And what is the advantage? I will tell you. Okay, so I am creating a function read file. I will take the file name or file path. How we can do that? So I need to use with open, in which I need to pass the file path. Then I need to use read as file. Now what I will do, I will apply a loop for lines. Okay, so this is a function that I have created. Now what I will do, I will create a text file. So suppose this is my text1.txt in which I will write some data like PM of India. Okay, so this opens a website, PM of India. Okay, so what I can do, I can copy some text from here. So I will copy the text and I will paste that on a text file. So this is my text file that I will save. So this is saved now. Now what I will do, I will pass the file name to that function. So my file is txt1.text. Okay, now I will read that file. So file name. Okay, I will run that. So I got the data. Okay, now what I will do, instead of that, what I can do, I can return that also. Return line. Again, I will run that. Okay, but here you can see it's written a single line only. Why? Because it's reading the lines, and from the lines we got first line in this line variable, and immediately it's written the line. I don't want that. I want to use yield here. And if I am returning that, so yield, what it will do, it will create a variable. Okay, it will create a reference. By that I can read the file. So what I can do here, I can store that in suppose data. Okay, and one thing also I can do, as we saw yesterday, for data in this, I can apply that also. Print data, or you want to strip the space, so you can do that. So I will run that firstly, and this. Okay, so this is how I can read a large file. Then what is the advantage of that? the advantage of that, I'm not reading the whole file. Okay. Firstly, what I will do, I will read first line, I will return that. Then I will read second line, then I will return that. Then I will read third line, I will return that. Means I am not loading the whole data, okay, at the starting. Okay. So this I can do here or here from the file. Okay. Can directly use the file also. Now, read all lines we are not using here because this method will read all lines and it will like it was putting all the lines in this variable. So now I am even not reading the lines. Okay. I just have a reference in the file. I have reference of the file in this variable. From that, I am reading the lines one by one and I am returning that. Okay. So yield keyword, what it will do? It will read the first line from this reference, then it will return second line, then it will return third line, then it will return. So you are not loading the whole data. Okay. So it saves the memory space. Okay. If you will load a whole file, a big file, it will occupy the memory. So here we are not occupying the memory. Okay. So that's it related to the generator. Now we will see the function copy and closer, okay, in the next video. So thank you for today. Like the video and subscribe the channel.
Free on